Humanity has always tried to comprehend its place in the infinite universe. Our history is an endless series of searches and discoveries, but do we know everything about the surrounding world? Ancient cultures, such as the Greeks, Indians, or ancient Chinese, believed in four fundamental elements that shape the universe: earth, water, air, and fire. These elements have become symbols of stability, balance, and harmony. However, over the centuries we have come to think, what if there is something much deeper, something mysterious, lying beyond our understanding? The Greeks called this mysterious phenomenon ether, and the Indians akasha. Both concepts point to something ephemeral, elusive, permeating every corner of the universe, being a bridge between the earthly and the celestial. This thought not only expanded the horizons of human understanding, but also led to new research, provoking numerous discussions among scientists and philosophers. But what do we really know about this fifth element? And does it really exist? In the depths of ancient Greek philosophy, the word ether had a special meaning. Reflecting the concept of an invisible yet all-encompassing environment, ether became a symbol of purity and divinity. The Greeks believed that it fills the places in the universe where other elements are absent, serving as a carrier of light and stars in the sky. This concept became the root for many scientific ideals and hypotheses. At the dawn of the scientific Renaissance, some scientists tried to use ether to explain the phenomena of light propagation and gravity. They believed that ether, as a somewhat dense medium, provides the transmission of light waves and the interaction between masses. In Indian culture, the term akasha has a profound philosophical undertone, and although it is sometimes compared to Greek ether, it carries a much broader spectrum of meanings. Akasha is translated as celestial space or ether, but for the ancient rishis, it was not just an invisible substance filling space. It was believed that akasha is the source of all elements, the basis of everything that exists. This concept permeated all aspects of ancient Indian science and spirituality. In Ayurveda, the ancient Indian method of healing, akasha is one of the five mahabhutas, or great elements, forming the basis of all living and non-living. The most fascinating aspect of akasha, perhaps, is the idea of the Akashic records, an eternal cosmic book where records of every soul, every action, thought, and emotion are stored. Some mystics believe they can read these records, accessing past lives or visions of the future. With the acceleration of scientific progress in the 20th century and the discovery of phenomena such as quantum mechanics, our ancestors' view of the fifth element became relevant again, albeit in a different context. Scientists began to view the universe as a complex fabric of interacting fields: electromagnetic, gravitational, strong and weak nuclear. These fields became the key to understanding fundamental phenomena such as particle interaction, energy transmission, and the structure of the universe at the smallest level. This prompted some scientists to ponder, can these fields be considered as a modern equivalent of the fifth element, uniting all that exists? The fundamental principle of quantum mechanics, called superposition, reveals a world where a particle can exist in several states at once until observed. This concept opens up the possibility of a mysterious field of possibilities, or field of reality, which could be the mysterious bridge between ancient concepts of ether and akasha and modern scientific reality. The interaction of gravity between stars, galaxies, and other cosmic objects has always been a key element in understanding the structure of the universe. But scientists encountered a strange anomaly. Calculations showed that visible matter, stars, planets, gases, could not provide enough gravitational force to hold galaxies together. Something else, invisible, was also influencing the movement of cosmic objects. The concepts of dark matter and dark energy thus came into existence. Despite their mysterious names, these two concepts play a crucial role in our contemporary understanding of the universe. Estimates suggest that over 85% of all matter in the universe is dark matter. But what exactly is it? Despite years of research, scientists continue to grapple with defining its nature. On the other hand, dark energy is even more enigmatic. It is considered a dynamic force accelerating the expansion of the universe. Its nature and source remain unknown. In the quest to unravel the mystery of the fifth element, some scientists and philosophers assert that this element might be something more than just a physical component or energy. Perhaps it is a manifestation of universal consciousness, a cosmic mind pervading all existence. Modern science also starts to explore the possibility that consciousness might play a central role in the structure of the universe. Quantum mechanics theories already hint at a close connection between the observer and the observed, where the act of observation can influence the state of a particle. There are also theories suggesting that the universe, with its incredible complexity and orderliness, might possess its form of consciousness or mind. If this is true, then the fifth element might be nothing but a bridge between the material and the conscious, a key to understanding the true nature of reality. Another potentially revolutionary view of the fifth element is the concept of information as a fundamental foundation of the universe. In the era of the digital revolution and the discovery of quantum computers, information becomes a crucial component of our understanding of reality. The central idea is that at the deepest level, the universe can be described as a complex informational structure. Quantum bits, or qubits, which form the basis of quantum computers, demonstrate how information can exist in superposition, where multiple states exist simultaneously. The idea correlates with the notion of a holographic universe, where each part of the universe contains information about the whole. Thus, all matter, energy, and even space-time can be viewed as manifestations of informational processes. Embracing this perspective, the fifth element could indeed be information. It unites all that exists, allows matter and energy to interact, and forms complex structures from atoms to galaxies. What if the answer to the question of the fifth element lies right before our eyes, in the very life that surrounds us? Life has always evoked awe and wonder with its complexity and adaptability to diverse conditions. In all these reflections on the fifth element, perhaps the most fascinating part is not the idea of its existence itself, but how it reflects our inner quests and attempts to understand the world around us. Isn't this element, in fact, a symbol of our constant need for answers, a desire to learn more, and a willingness to understand the depths of the universe? The search for the fifth element is also a quest for our place in the cosmos, our role in the grand scheme of things. It raises questions about who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. Perhaps the fifth element is not something physical or measurable. Maybe it is an ethereal essence that connects us all, a drive that compels us to explore, learn, and grow. It is what makes us human, endowing us with curiosity for the unknown and courage to go where no one has gone before. Ultimately, the fifth element might just be the human soul, elusive, mysterious, yet immensely powerful in its quest for knowledge. So, as we look at the stars seeking answers, we are also looking within ourselves, trying to understand who we are and what our place is in this unfathomable yet fascinating universe.